Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, this is a project share, and I wanted to share with you guys these super cute little embellishments that I created, totally inspired by a banner that Shira Crane posted. I'll have that post down below so you guys can check it out. Once I saw this umbrella on her banner, I was just like, I need to make some umbrellas. They're so cute. I think this is going to be perfect for like April mail because, you know, April showers. I thought it'd be so cute to create them, and of course I had to. So I'm also going to have linked down below the SVG that I used to create these little cuties, and I'm going to show you guys what I used. So as far as paper wise, I used the Hobby Lobby glitter paper in pink and in this like antique kind of like gold. You guys see that? It's like that chunky glitter paper that everybody's holding right now because I think it's on sale. So I had a few pieces laying around, so I used that as far as the base on the bottom, and then the regular right here part is white cardstock. White cardstock and 110-pound cardstock from Amazon that I have, and then basically the framing of the umbrella is also the white cardstock. And sorry about that, you guys, my wife ended up calling me, so she interrupted the video. But for the color little pieces of cardstock on the umbrellas, I ended up using the Jen Hadfield My Bright Life, and I love this paper. I like the patterns. The papers I chose to use were, this one I didn't end up using, was this gold kind of like, it's kind of like a metallic-y polka dot paper. I also used the black and white polka dots, the pink one, and then this floral piece. And I think it looks super cute. I absolutely love it. I added some of the little pom-poms that I have from like AliExpress, which look like this. So I put those on top, and then I stitched all the way around, as you can see right here, which, you guys, is super hard. So if you ever see a project with stitching, you guys, this is time consuming, but it ends up looking so cute. I wanted to stitch this right here, but I ended up not doing it, so I just left it plain white. But I did stitch all the way around and in the inside, the centers, and I think it turned out so cute, you guys. And these are going to be fun to use either to put on a card. See, some of the stitching is like all over the place, but that's because I was like struggling. But I still like the way it looks. Sometimes I like the little messy stitching look. And then we have that one. And then this one. And these are super cute, you guys. Like if you make, let's say that this was like the card, you can just put it like right there and maybe put like a nice little quote or like a saying and make it a handmade card. I don't know why the video kept cutting me off, but yeah, you guys, you can use it for many different ways. You can send it as happy mail embellishments. You can use it on projects. They're super cute to use. I'm going to have the links down below of both the paper pad that I used as well as the SVG file so that you guys can create your own beautiful umbrellas and be super creative. I was gonna like embellish them and add some stuff to it, but I think that'll go as I add it to a project. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.